Yo, what's up everybody, Rexter here, and today we're working on the crashed BRZ. So there's not much left to do on this thing besides fixing the seat. That's like the main priority right now, and obviously the seatbelt will be next. So fixing the seat, I went ahead and pulled this all the way out like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna cut it out with scissors. And then this was plugged in right there. Should I plug it back in and then see what happens, or no? Alright, so I am now cutting it, and then after I cut it out, we're gonna sew it back together. Well, yeah, I'm probably gonna plug this in, start it up first to see what happens, and then we're gonna sew it up together. I don't know how I go about doing this. Yeah, it's wedged in there really good. Alright, all that crap is now out of the car, and we're working on finding out how we're gonna seal this back up and sew it together. Yeah, we got a lot better lighting in here. It's gonna light up in my mirror and try to figure out how this is gonna work. So she's trying to sew it back together, but of course it's just such a thick fabric that her needles are like, look at it, it's bending. Look at the needle, it's bent. So it's not really going into the fabric at all. We're gonna have to go out and buy a bigger needle and then do it. And then the way that they have it set up for the stitching, they have it hidden. See the black stitchings on both sides, so it's like hidden stitching. So that's what we're gonna have to, what she's gonna have to do to make it work and make it look like it never was open. So 40 minutes later, once the store came back, I got some high quality, like really thick needles, and like it literally says fabric repair needles, so that's good. And I went ahead and got better thread as well. So this is upholstery thread. It's supposed to be for chairs and all that, which, you know, it's a seat for my car, so pretty much same thing. So we got some high quality thread, high quality needles, and now she can go ahead and start sewing my chair back together. Then as for the airbag light, I'm gonna be doing my bash bars anyways, probably next year. So whenever I do buy bash bars, I'm gonna take off the stock one, the crash bar, and there's a way to turn off the airbag light sensor, so I'll be doing that whenever I do the crash bar. So yeah, I'm just going to get my fiance back out here so she can do this. Do you consider yourself a pro?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, it's my car that you're working with, you know?
Oh my god.
It really broke it. Wow. Oh, Grizzly. I had to come out and check on him. Oh, had to come out and check on him. Well, she's working on that. He's such a good boy. He will literally jump on this thing, like jump on top and bounce off. It's getting kind of flat though. I don't know if I can air it up or something. Oh, he didn't do it. Do it. What? Not his best one, but that was still good. That's still a good boy. Alright, bye. It's coming along really good. It's looking almost like OEM, which is awesome. I'm gonna come back here and take some crap out of my truck now. So I still got some wheels in here, and I still got some wood and stuff. So if you thought this was a how-to video, this is not. You can look up how to sew on other people's YouTube channels. However, my fiance is doing a really good job. So that's like the hardest part on the bottom part, which sucks. So would you recommend other people doing this with their cars?
If they love their car this much.
Working hard on this. So the hardest part is pushing through the fabric with the needle. A couple more threads to go. It looks so good. I am so happy with the way it turned out. Honestly, I didn't think she was gonna be able to hide the stitching just like OEM is. Obviously, it's not like perfect, but for how fast she's getting this done and how little experience that she has on doing seat repairs. Obviously, I don't think she's ever done a seat repair before.
No.
Yeah.
Your turn.
My turn. I don't know what I'm doing. So close to the end. I can see it. Alright guys, it is now sewed back together. The second she finished, she just got up and walked away, which I don't blame her one bit. This took her exactly 1 hour to do. If you need a piece this big sewed on your seat, she'll do it for 30 bucks. No, I'm joking, well, maybe. Yeah, so here it is. This is the final product of the seat being sewed back together. And honestly, I could not be any more happy with this. All it cost was an hour of labor. I think this is like a couple bucks, and then the needle kit was a couple bucks as well, and that was it. Obviously, if we compared it to this side though, it's not gonna look nearly as good. So this is the other side, but I'm honestly just so happy with it. Like, it doesn't even matter to me at all. I'm just glad that it is back together. And now my car is drivable. Well, it was drivable before, it's just, it's illegal to have a popped airbag exposed like that and driving. Now it's all good. Most people, when they come up to my car, they won't even notice that, you know? Like, they would notice everything else first, obviously. I'm gonna start cleaning up my mess. Alright, one last time, final product without a bunch of crap in my seat. There it is. Wow. I am extremely happy with it. And that's awesome. Let's just button this back on. Yeah, the stitching went all the way from up here, all the way down. That's insane. I still got some foam down there I gotta get out. This thing is mint, dude. I am so happy with it. Now all there is left to do is start modding it more and start drifting again. So that is it for this video. A nice short little video of fixing the seat, because you know, it was one day at a time, one fix at a time, one mod at a time, before we get back to the glory days. This thing's gonna come back way better than before. I cannot wait to show you guys the final product. I can't wait to even finish it over this winter, so next season I can start drifting again. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.